Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two cold outreach tools, which is Saleshandy and Manyreach. So to get started with a quick overview, Saleshandy is a comprehensive cold email outreach and a sales engagement platform that focuses on automating sequence with email tracking and deliverability. It's designed for sales teams and agencies aiming to scale outreach while maintaining personalization and avoiding spam filters. And talking about Manyreach on the other side is a lightweight, user-friendly cool email tools that emphasize simplicity and high deliverability. Its clean UI and the straightforward workflow make it perfect for solopreneurs, freelancers, small businesses looking for an easy entry into cold outreach. And talking about what these two platforms are best at, so starting with the Saleshandy. Saleshandy is best for sales teams, agencies, and startup needing automated sequence and AI and a high deliverability. Then talking about the Manyreach on the other side is best for freelancers, solopreneurs, and a small team wanting a simple, effective cold email outreach. And talking about the downside of these two platforms, starting with the Saleshandy, the interface can feel cluttered for beginners, which is part of the weakness of this platform. And also the higher pricing for advanced features is really not appreciating. And some features are only available in premium tiers, which shows that you have to pay more to get enough features for you to work. Then talking about the downside of Manyreach, it lacks advanced automation features, no native inbox warm-up required, third party, and also has a limited reporting and a team collaboration features. And here's the very conclusion. So choose a Saleshandy if you need a full-featured cold email automation tools with built-in email, but built-in a warm-up and a smart sequence together with analytics for scaling outreach. Then on the other side, you can simply go for our Manyreach if you prefer a simple, affordable email tools for a small scales outreach without the need for complex features. So let me know in the comment section what's your take on any of those two platforms. Thanks.